wave goodbye to everyone and head off on our adventure. I wonder what we'll see today. Cameras at the ready, eyes peeled, let's go! Now, where did I leave my camera? Oh look, over on the right, another daring adventurer is heading off on her own journey. Those otters are just... Oh, and I found my camera, just in time. Oh no, that's just my lunchbox. Thank goodness, I found my camera. Right, here we go for snakes. The canopy explorers. We enter the canopy explorers and keep watching the mischievous monkeys. They could be hiding anywhere. Nothing is standing in our way of that beautiful trophy. I think I got the shot. I got it. Oh, I dropped my camera. I was startled by all those lines. And look over there on the left. Can you get me a snap of that awesome motorbike? I'll let you share the trophy. Single photo, will it? You keep your eyes open. A bit of extra super sticky glue here, a bit there. There you go. That's almost back together. It seems like I'm not the only one having a spot of trouble. Those monkeys are causing mayhem. But they'll make great photos for us. I fixed my camera. We still have so much to see and award-winning photos to take. That Click Brick trophy has my name on it, thanks to you. A picture of Mayor Fleck would surely be an award winner. Or perhaps we could take a snap of our divers up ahead. There's just so much choice. Wave to the Coast Guards. A picture of Mayor Fleck would surely be an award winner. Or perhaps we could take a snap of our divers up ahead. There's just so much choice. Wave to the Coast Guards. Cheeky! It looks like someone else is trying to take our photo and win the Click Brick trophy for themselves.
You're already great!
That baby elephant has the appetite of, well, an elephant. Oh, I totally forgot to take a photo. Okay, I must stay focused. Focus. I made a photography joke. You get it? something you don't see every day. And did I? Yes, I finally got a photo. Whee! What a great way to end our adventure. With all our incredible photos, the Click Brick Trophy, it's surely ours. I can see it. I can see it now. Our names in lights. Everyone wanting our autograph. Well done, everybody. Thank you so much. I really couldn't have done it without your help. And thank you for travelling today on the LEGOLAND Express.
Please remain seated until the train has reached the station and come to a complete stop.